If you have a list and one or more columns contains dates, you can perform date filters on that list. For example, my column G contains a series of dates under the column heading Deadline. If I wish to filter by dates, I can click my filter button, or I could press Ctrl+Shift+L. I can then head to the drop down and I can filter out records that match certain date ranges. I really like the way that Excel has organised the dates. It hasn't just listed them all willy-nilly that you just tick what you do and don't want. It's actually taken the time to organise the dates, and firstly it's organised them into years. So for example, I can see I've got data only for 3 years, 2010, 2011 and 2012. If I was to hit the plus in front of 2012, I can then see that Excel has organised the dates into months. And I can clearly see that I have no data or no records for the months of January to May. If I then hit the plus in front of a month, I can clearly see the days, and I can clearly see that I only have records for the dates the 1st and 2nd of June in the year 2012. So it's quite good how it's organised the data into years, months and days. But you also have date filters just in here. You can ask for dates that fall tomorrow, or records that have dates that are today or yesterday. You could also filter out records that have a deadline date that falls within next week, this week or last week, next month, this month or last month, and so on and so forth. So Excel has actually got very powerful date filters.